So how to open a savings account on Lloyds. So to open up a new savings account on Lloyds, you can do this on the app and you'll just want to click on apply right here. And then once you've done that, you can simply click on open up a savings account right here. And then it will pull you through to this page here, which will give you a load of options on savings accounts. And then you can go ahead and pick the best one. So as I said, there's quite a few savings account here. You've got your general basic easy saver, as well as other things such as a monthly saver, which gives you higher interest rates. So you can go ahead and check which savings account you'd prefer. And then once you've chosen which savings account you want, you can go ahead and select it. So for example, let's say if we want an easy saver that we can open up with just £1. Once you've selected it, again, just give it a read, make sure you're happy with it. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can press continue. Then once you've done that, you'll get the option to select where you want your interest paid to. So you can either pay it into your current account or your saver. So for simplicity's sake, I'll say we want to keep all interest in our saver. And if you press open account now, it will pull you through to this page here, which will display your new saver bank details. And if you go back to the home page, your new savings account should be on the dashboard here, and you can go ahead and start using it straight away. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as it does help the video out. But of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.